Hello guys, it's Stephan here. As some of you may know, yesterday I done a Zoom event about how to go live on Facebook. So I thought I would turn it into a video tutorial as well, as I couldn't really show you how to go live on Facebook yesterday through Zoom. So before we get into the video, I just want to give you some do's and don'ts about going live on Facebook. The first thing is keep your content fresh, engaging, and inviting for people to view. So just say you want to come on and talk about, I don't know, cars. Make it current, make it engaging, make it inviting. And the one big thing not to do on a Facebook Live is swear. Please don't swear because then your audience will disappear. But as long as you keep your content fresh, current, and engaging, you should be just fine. And hopefully, this video will give you the confidence of how to set up a Facebook Live and then go live on Facebook. It doesn't matter whether it's a short live or a long live, but the other thing I would just say before we get into the video is, if you've not been live before guys, plan it out, do a little script, plan out what you're going to talk about, then do your Facebook Live. Okay, so with all that being said guys, let's get into the video. So first things first, obviously open up your internet browser. Now I'm using Microsoft Edge, but this works just as well with Google Chrome. So then you would type in, obviously, you would type in the search bar up here, this search bar, Facebook. Now mine's is preset at the moment to get together at home when it loads up. But as you'll see guys in a minute, when you go to go live, what you do is you click on these three dots and you will see that the live video button is not there. Now, there's a crafty trick to get round this. So you close this, then you would click on the home button, which is up here. So you click on the home button, and it will load. Sometimes it just takes a second. There we go. Or you double click it and it loads faster. Now what you do is you want to click on the three dots again, which is here. Then you want to go to live video. And then it'll bring up this thing called the Facebook Live Producer. Now this is the new way of doing a Facebook Live video. We do have the old version, but this is the way you do it now. Now for going live and get together at home, what you do is guys, you click on where it says share to timeline. You don't want to do that for the purposes of this video. You want to find get together at home. So you click on share on your timeline. You click on the little black arrow which is here, and you click on that and you'll see that it will bring up options. Then you want to click on share in a group. So you do that. And it will load up again. It just takes a second or two. Then unfortunately you can't type what group you're looking for. You have to scroll through. But the good thing is it's generally in alphabetical order. So once I bring this up, sometimes it can stick, but it should just pop up. I went to it and try something else. Okay, so while we're waiting for this to... there we go, guys. Now you'll see that it's in alphabetical order, so what we have to do is we have to scroll down until we get to... Yeah, we have to scroll down, there we go, until we get to Get Together at Home, so E, F, 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 G. So there we are, it's there, Get Together at Home. So then you would click on this, and then it'll load up again in a second. So there we go. So now you're all set to go live and Get Together at Home. But what you can do is you can give your video a title. So for the purposes of this tutorial, guys, we'll call this one Test. And for some reason my internet is going very slowly today. Just to say that last night I did have a few problems, that's why it's maybe running a bit slow. There we go. So we click on the live video title. It is optional, guys, but it's always good to give your video a title. So for the purposes of this tutorial, as I said, we'll call it Test, T-E-S-T. And then if you would like, you can write a little description about your video. So we'll say, just put this as a test. And then you're ready to go live, guys. So what you would do is you would hit the go live button down here. So we're going to go ahead and do this now, guys. And as you'll see, it'll come up 3, 2, 1. And then you are a few seconds away from going live. It's just loading up. And there we are. We are now live and Get Together at Home, guys. As you can see, hello there. My name is Stephan, aka DJ Hotwheels. I'm doing this tutorial to show you guys and Get Together at Home how to go live if you have not gone live before on Facebook. So this is how you do it. So hey guys, I'm Stephan DJ Hotwheels. So we'll just see if anybody joins, and if somebody does join your live video, guys, it's always nice just to give them a name check and say hello, because it makes them feel part of your live video as well. And Kirsty Henderson's just joined us, so hello Kirsty Henderson. Hello Leanne Hunter, and hello Keith Lynch. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to end the video there. So you end the video. And you can say, you just say end to this. Yep, you just say end. So you go end there, guys. And that's your live video done. And then you would obviously close this window down because you don't need it anymore. So you would close it down like that. Then what we'll do is we'll come back to this. So guys, that is how you go live on Facebook and get together at home. I hope you found this video useful. If you guys have any questions or queries at all about how to go live and get together at home, don't forget guys, you can messenger me. Just search for Stephan Tait on Facebook and send me a message on Messenger, and I will be happy to answer all your questions and queries about going live on Facebook. But anyway guys, just remember what I said at the start. Think about your content, plan it out, plan the length of your live video, and yeah, happy going live guys on Get Together at Home. I look forward to seeing you on live videos soon. See you guys.